Hello YouTube. If you're here, I'm guessing it's because you have a Loona with only one drive wheel working, or you're just curious. Either way, welcome. Our Loona arrived with its left drive wheel not working. We emailed the company and they said it would be months to get a replacement, but it was okay to open it up. First thing we had to do was pop off this little cover. Loona is made of soft plastic. Luckily, I have some pry tools. Popping off this little cover reveals a small screw that needs to come out. After removing the small screw, gently pop the side cover loose on the sides, starting at the rear wheel and working forward. There are 3 screws that need to be removed that you can't get to yet. They are under the dock charging cover. There are multiple tabs holding the dock charging cover in place. We worked the side cover loose, and it took 3 hands and considerable patience to pop the tabs in the dock charging cover to loosen it up for removal. Once it's loose, it will reveal the 3 screws that need to come out, and it will be hanging by wires. Once the screws are out, the side panel comes right off. And what did we find? Poor workmanship. This connector was never going to reach the port. The wires were not soldered to the pins in the connector, and the wires were too short. I don't have the skill to dig the pins out of the connector or to solder something that small. I build my own computers and tinker with anything electronic. So luckily, I had a spare connector the same size with longer wires. Being very careful to keep the pins and wires in the correct order, I soldered on the new connector with the longer wires. And a quick test to see if both drive wheels work. Both drive wheels working. We routed and tied the wires out of the way of the motor and gears and reassembled Loona in the reverse order.
Back. Forward. Turn around. Left turn.